Hey y'all, welcome to another Meatless Monday, and today I'll show you how to make club sandwiches. So basically this is all the stuff you're gonna need: some bread, toothpicks, some seasoning, avocados, tomatoes, spinach, veggie bacon, some vegan chicken patties, and that's about it. You really can do your own toppings, but in this video this is what I use. So you know, everything but the bagel. I literally put it on everything on this. Okay, so now here I'm showing you just basically preparing what I added to the sandwich. So I'm chopping up my tomatoes, my cucumbers, and I'm basically just putting it all on a plate just for purposes of the video. You don't really have to do this step, but basically I'm just preparing what I'm gonna be putting on the club sandwich. So that's what I'm doing here. Oh, and I know it looks like I'm making guacamole, but I'm definitely not. I literally just, put an avocado in a bowl, smashed it up, added some everything but the bagel seasoning as if I was going to put it on avocado toast, and then I used it for the club sandwich. So I'm not making guacamole. You definitely could make guacamole and put it on this sandwich, but that's not what I'm doing here. Boom, everything I'm gonna use. Okay, now this is where I get a little confused because I'm trying to remember exactly what I did. So I took 2 pieces of bread and I cut them diagonally, but I think I end up using like more than 2 pieces of bread per sandwiches. So I really don't remember, y'all. Just go with the flow. Just go with the flow. I'm not sure. Do how many like levels you want to do. I can't remember. I'm trying to look back at the video. I made this like a couple weeks ago. So do the amount of levels you want to do. It's levels to this and you get to pick them. So here basically I just took 1 patty and cut it into 4s. Real simple. And I cooked it according to the package. Here you see me spraying the pan with some coconut oil spray and adding the veggie bacon. And veggie bacon doesn't take that long, and I love it because I swear, y'all, it tastes like turkey bacon. And it could be my imagination, but hey, sometimes you gotta have one if you're not gonna eat meat. You feel me? And boom, just like that, the bacon's done. Just kidding, I really don't know how long it takes. Just keep an eye on it. I probably cooked it on like a medium heat, or cook it according to the package once again. Okay, so basically now I'm showing you how I started to basically layer the sandwich. I used a little barbecue sauce, put the piece of little chicken on there, another piece of bread, some avocado, spinach, cucumbers, tomato, boom, another piece of bread. Did another little layer. You just kind of do it to your liking. Added some bacon. You know, it's no like order that you have to put it in. I just kind of went with what I thought would taste best. Even though you're gonna bite into it all, you just kind of go with the flow. You see I'm like rearranging here and making stuff up. And the toothpicks basically just hold the sandwich together. Okay, yeah, so you see I have 3 layers, I guess, essentially. And I served it with some shoestring French fries. It was so good. I really like this meal. I definitely will be doing it again. And it was super simple. And it was easy to pack for a lunch as well, which you'll see here shortly. I packed it for a lunch just in some regular old Tupperware with the fries in the middle. Simple. Like, it doesn't get any easier than this. Like, how simple could you get? And that's all, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like this video if you like my cooking videos and you want to see more, and let me know what you want to see down in the comments.